So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So they're back and forth with the devil. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. But the way the devil just came out, I feel like it's them needing to get out of their head. But it's also them needing to walk away from a situation that they put themselves in. See? Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. I feel like this is them speaking their truth. But for some of you, maybe they're needing to get out of like a legal situation or a contract. Clarify justice, reverse. Okay, yep. I'm seeing a decision is going to be made. They're gonna, okay, let me back up. The decision is they're gonna have to move really fast, and they know that they're gonna have to move fast to put in the work back into themselves, to get themselves together if they are worried about money. But this is also them needing to put in the work to win you back, because see, they want to heal things with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but right now this person is frustrated. Why? Okay, back and forth with the Ace of Swords. Okay, so they want to say something to you about having like this new beginning, but it's like you two aren't talking. Whoever I'm talking to right now, y'all are not speaking at all. And so this person, I feel like they do keep tabs on you. They keep a close eye on you from afar, but at the same time, they're trying their best to move on, you know, away from, see, the past. It could be family situation, a past person. It could be even what they did to you in the past. They were trying to move on, but I'm seeing they ended up making a decision here. Tell me more. Yeah, see? They're freeing themselves. Somebody's freeing themselves from a situation that they put themselves in. So I see someone being single. Yep, because they listen to their intuition. And see, now they know you're supposed to have this offer. You're supposed to have the Ace of Cups. Offer of a lifetime, and they're going to have to speak their truth to you. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces here. But every time they want to reach out to you, they don't say anything. Ten of Cups, yeah. I feel like this person, they want a family with you. You know, you're their wish fulfillment. And I'm seeing that they're going to make a decision. Clarify. What landed? Another. Look at that. They're putting this Ten of Swords reversed on top of the Ten of Cups. They're putting an ending to a situation. Could be a family situation. But the thing is, they also could be feeling like, okay, I know I hurt him or her, and I want to make this right. You know, I betrayed them, stabbed them in the back. I want to heal things with them. Tell me more. Yep, this person is upset by their actions. And see, right now, they're like, okay, I don't see things improving. But they're going to make a decision. Okay. Yep, to balance things out. This person is going to come back, guys, wanting to make it right. But see, they're having a hard time right now. Clarify. Because they feel like you cut them off. You're done. See? And they're taking it. Yeah, this person's talking to someone that they trust. See? Yeah, because they're going to communicate. This person's getting advice on how to communicate to you, what to say. See? And they're even going to tell you they removed themselves, again, from a third-party situation. Ooh. Sagittarius, you could be dealing with another Sagittarius. But this person wants to balance things out, and they will be coming back towards you to give you an offer. Okay. Yep, to turn things around. Okay. They're making plans. They want a new opportunity with you. But they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. Okay. But that was their lesson. They got to speak up. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Look at that, 2 9s. There are a lot of karmic cycles going, coming to an end. I've been seeing this all day. This person definitely wants things to improve between the two of you. Could be dealing with an Aries, but they're realizing they didn't bring stability to the situation. They're realizing, financially speaking, their money isn't right. And they're in their head a lot. Clarify? Yep, because they need to tell you the truth. They need to speak their truth to you. And they're having a hard time with that. Because, see, in the past, this person was being sneaky, but I'm seeing they made changes. But they're stressing out. They're holding on to the regret. And see, they're even holding on to this codependent situation that they put themselves in. Maybe this person takes care of, like I said, some of them may have a family with someone else. Or they're responsible for taking care of someone or giving them money, whatever the situation is. And it's like they're trying their best not to be frustrated, but they are. There's the Empress. They want to have a new beginning with you. Ooh, there's a pregnancy. For some of you, this person stayed in a codependent situation because somebody was pregnant. If it hasn't happened yet, it's getting ready to. I just heard the baby's born. Somebody had a baby. Somebody had a baby. But I'm still picking up pregnancy. Now, I will say this person wants to have a baby with you, but the thing is codependent. They're in this codependent situation. See? Third party. That's why they left you out in the cold, and they want to heal things with you. Yeah. Somebody's either pregnant, there was a pregnancy, meaning the baby's already here. But yeah, that's why they were moving slow, and they can't sleep. Yep, they've been dragging their feet. Because now they're not confident, but they're needing to owe you they owe you an apology, period, point blank. You're going to get an apology from them. And see, they're sad. That could be why they're stressing out about money, because let's just say if there is a child and or children involved, and it's their child, yeah, they're going to take a loss because this person could go after them if they give you this offer. And see, they're afraid they're not going to have a victory with you. So they got to make a decision. Okay. They feel like the seeds that they planted, it's not going to grow. And see, they're not being positive right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But I'm saying this person definitely wants to be with you, but they're not happy right now. Yeah, there's a child. There's a child, children, family. Listen, I'm telling y'all, okay, the way these two cards came out, somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but it's mother figure. It could be your person's mother. They could be the child. It's something, because a lot of y'all just take it however it fits, okay? Anyway, so this person's trying to come out of being frustrated. Yeah, they're going to have to put an end to a situation that they felt stuck in. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. See? They're putting an end to a commitment or a relationship. And see, they had you waiting around. Yes, money. They were waiting because of some type of financial situation. I do feel like for a lot of you, if they have a child with someone else, or they took on this mother role, father role for someone else's child, it's like they feel bad putting an end to it because they feel financially responsible, you know? If it's their biological child, it's like, hey, you know, of course I'm going to take care of my child, but the mother or the father of my child, they're going to start acting crazy, and then they're going to come after me, and I don't know how my money's going to be looking once I move forward with you, because you're the person I want to be with. If it's like a family or a friend situation, they felt responsible for making sure mother, father, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, friend, whoever, they took care of them financially. So it's like they're stuck between a rock and a hard place, because they want to come towards you, but there was somebody on that end blocking them, and they were setting them up to the point where they couldn't move forward with you because their money wasn't right, because they were constantly giving to this other person. This other person kept coming towards them, you know, asking for money. What did I just tell y'all? Mother figure. I know this is y'all card, but I'm telling you, it's like a mother figure involved somewhere here. But regardless, it's like y'all aren't positive about this person. You know, and they're feeling like they know you're not positive about them. They know you're still upset with them, but they don't want you to walk away. And I'm saying that they're going to come out of being frustrated about the situation, and they're going to make a move. So, let's see. Bottom of the deck, sorry for the glare, it's the Five of Swords. So, you guys are frustrated because you feel like you lost this person. Yeah, there's a death card. Yeah, there was an ending. You're like, it's done. See? There's the Hierophant. But the thing is, you envision yourself being committed to this person, marrying this person. But now your guard is up. You know, it's like you want to hear from them. But at the same time, you're done. You're tired of their nonsense. Maybe you had to put an end to the situation because maybe for some of you, I told you, somebody's married. They're in some type of commitment contract. Yeah, see, family. Somebody from the past. It's like y'all are tired. You're tired. You're done. You're over it. See, codependent situation, codependent family situation, or they're codependent to someone from the past. So you decided not to be frustrated about this. See, there you are. But the thing is, you're realizing there's no balance. You realize things aren't improving, and that was your Tower moment. It's like, okay, you know what? This was supposed to be my person. This is the person that, you know, I was supposed to spend my life with. But at the end of the day, they chose to stay stuck in this situation. They chose not to do what they were supposed to do. So guess what? My tower moment is realizing the truth, and I had to walk away. I had to shut that door 100%. It's not cracked open. It is closed. It's locked. I can't do it anymore. That's where y'all are. Okay, what's this? See, look, you moved on. I told you. You had to put an end to the situation, and you had to move on because, see, you lost hope. You're like, you know what? There's nothing more for me in this situation with him or her. But the way the Nine of Swords came out, it's like you're trying your best not to be frustrated, but this situation bothers you. It still bothers you. You think about it from time to time. But again, you're realizing the truth. And the truth is, this person didn't bring balance in this relationship. Every time they came in, they never gave you the offer that you want. They wanted to keep playing around. They were being inconsistent. They would reach out to you eventually, acting like they wanted to start something, but then they ghosted you, or they left you hanging, and guess what? You're like, nope, I'm moving on. You gave me no choice but to move on. I'm tired. I'm not dealing with this anymore. Yeah, you guys decided to get out of your head. You're no longer overthinking this situation at all. Okay? But you're back and forth about this new beginning. Clarify. The devil tried to come out reverse. They're saying it's nothing to think about. They need you to get out of this toxic situation. See? Three of Swords. See, what I just say? You have to remove yourself from this third party situation. But see, a lot of you guys are stuck trying to make that decision. But y'all got the green light, okay? I just saw an image of like a green light. I'm telling you, they're saying go. Like, do not, you gotta go. Because this person is still in a situation. Yes, they love you. Yes, could be a soulmate twin flame, but they're not doing what they have to do to get out of it. So guess what? You're saying enough is enough. I'm done. And yes, of course, you're going to think about, did I make the right decision? I'm frustrated. If I do this, I'm going to lose them. But guess what? They lost you. They need to come towards you. They need to chase behind you. Y'all need to go. And you will, if you haven't already. So for that, I'm proud of y'all. Alright, Sagittarius, so that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments and let me know if it resonates.